Hello everyone, welcome to Web Tech Knowledge. This is Yamin, and today I will show you how you can install Laravel on Windows from scratch. So before installing Laravel, you need to have download XAMPP and Composer in your device. So I'm going to show you how you can download both in your device. So the first one you need to download is XAMPP. So just for downloading XAMPP, you need to just go to your browser and search for XAMPP download. Okay, so just type XAMPP download and then hit enter, and then just go on the first link over here, just click it. Then you will see some download option for XAMPP. Okay, so you will see download option for Windows. This one is for Windows, and you will see download option for OS X and Linux user as well. Okay, so we are going to download them for Windows. Make sure you download the most latest version. The latest on right now is 8.0.2. Just hit download and it will automatically start download. And it's 157 MB, so it will take some time to download. So once it's downloaded, just double click it over there and then it will pop up. So just click next, then next, and over here you have to select where you want to install your XAMPP. I'm going to keep it the way it is. I'm going to save it in my local disk C. So hit next, next, and then it will start installing your XAMPP in your device. So it will take some time to install XAMPP and then finish, and then automatically a XAMPP panel will pop up. You can start and stop your XAMPP panel over here. Okay, so now I will show you how you can download Composer. So for this, just search Composer download on your browser. Okay, if you search Composer download, then just go on the second link, Composer. Then you will see this innocent looking guy over here, and you will also see some more options over here. You just have to click on the download button. Just click download and it will take you to another page. Now over here the first one is for Windows installer, actually composer.setup.exe, and the second one on command line installation. You can see that there is 4-line command over here. Now you can also like write this 4 command on CMD and install your Composer. I'm going to download it for Windows, so I'm just going to click it over here, and if you click it, a download should automatically start. It's a small file, so it won't take very long to download. And once it download, just double click it over here. Then this will pop up. Just click over here, install for all user, recommended it. Then these things will pop up, and now if you check over here the developer mode, then you won't be easily uninstall Composer from your device. So I will recommend you to keep it the way it is and click next. Now over here you need to make sure that your Composer location is local disk C XAMPP/PSP.exe. Okay, just make sure it's the location, then hit next. Okay, I'll just hit next over here, You don't have to do anything. Again, now just click install, then your XAMPP will automatically start installing. So it won't take very long to install. Okay, our composer is installed. Just click finish. Now if you want to see whether your composer is installed or not, just over here write cmd, and then in the command prompt just write composer and press enter. Just wait a little bit, and something like this will show. And you can see over here composer is written over here. It means our composer is successfully installed in our device. So that's how you can download composer in your device. So we have now both XAMPP and composer installed in our device. So now let's move to Laravel. Okay. Once you have XAMPP and composer installed, installing Laravel become very easy. Now this is Laravel documentation. Now if you go down here, you will see, okay, you will see two OS to install Laravel. Those are the two OS. I actually write it down over here so that in a simple way, so that you can understand how you can install Laravel very easily. So installing Laravel is like just drinking a glass of water actually. Uh, for installing Laravel, you just have to just write this single command in your device, and then your Laravel will be installed in your device. So you can just go to any folder and just let's say I'll go to this folder, and then just press shift and right click on your mouse, and click over here, open PowerShell window here, and then a command prompt will come. Or you can also write over here cmd and press enter. Then a black command prompt will come. Then you just have to write this command over here. So I'll just copy it and paste it over here and press enter, and it will take normally 5 to 10 minutes to install Laravel. So I will just pause the video for now and start again when the download is complete. Okay guys, the download is complete. So Laravel is installed in our device. So in order to create a project, Laravel project, there is two command you can use to create project. First one is Laravel new block, and the second one is composer create project or Laravel slash Laravel block. Okay, so I normally prefer the second one because it gives us some more feature than the first one, than this one. So I will just install this one then. So our project name will be block actually. So okay, let's write over here cmd again and just paste it, and I'll just press enter now. So again, it will take 5 to 10 minutes to install our project. So let me pause the video again. Okay guys, our Laravel project is installed. So if we go to our folder, we will see that a project is created over here, which is block, which will name our project. And inside here you will see all the packages that is installed. So now we will just close this command prompt and open a command prompt. Over here you can just press shift and right click on your mouse and go to open PowerShell window here, or you can as well just write over here CMD and press enter. Again the same thing, and we just have to write the last command, which is php artisan serve. So we'll just say php artisan serve and press enter, and we will see something like this. So I'm going to copy it, Ctrl C, and paste it in our browser, Ctrl V. Okay, so if you press enter, you will see something like this. It means this is our project which we successfully run. So I hope you learn how you can install Laravel in your device. So now a two interview question: why we need to install XAMPP, and the other question is why we need to install Composer. So if you already know that answer, then just comment below so that the other people can learn it, and if you don't, you can just Google it on the internet. So thanks for watching the video. I hope this video will be able to help you, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.